Okay, brothers, our first product is indeed the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. You can see this special version at first glance. It is actually extremely beautiful. Although it is not very symmetrical, the camera module is truly quite domineering. This is in fact the black version. It uses a red edging. The lens is quite easy to get fingerprints. This time I feel that the machine is thicker and heavier than I expected, especially the module. It is especially made of transition. This is about the same as this. The display is clear, improvements are huge, edge control is better. Main upgrades are in core specifications. The back design, especially the white gradient, looks nice and feels better in quality. For the UI, if you buy Leica products, this interface will look familiar. Zoom performance is smooth, maintaining Xiaomi's quality. Video recording now supports 8K across all focal lengths. It also supports 420 FPS recording at 4.3x zoom, an upgrade from the previous generation's main camera recording. Friends who bought the card, should be familiar with it because I feel that its interface is very similar to Leica's este. Then there is this. How should I put it? The zoom is also very smooth, which is also inherited from Xiaomi's usual level. And including video recording, this time it supports 8K full focal length, no doubt about it. 8K 310p also supports 4.3 times 420 frames of recording, which is also an improvement like the previous generation, which only supports the main camera recording. This generation features a 200 megapixel camera, which is really impressive. The mid-range image quality is also top-notch. Let me show you the different color options. I think they really have that camera vibe, and they look beautiful. You guys should check them out in person. It supports 4K at 60, 30, and 120 frames per second, as well as 4.3 times zoom for video recording. The stabilization is, as always, really impressive, especially with that module in place. I think it's great. Now, if you look at the screen-to-body ratio, I feel like it's pretty much on par, to be honest. Overall, I have to say that the device feels really solid.